Bulk steel and iron orders with easyline.com. With Easyline, you can purchase steel, iron, and other industrial metals in bulk directly from factories in China, India, and other countries around the world. Key benefits: global sourcing connects you with verified factories in multiple countries. Bulk orders, suitable for wholesalers, manufacturers, and large-scale projects. Direct factory access reduces middleman costs and ensures authentic materials. Certified quality. All factories meet international quality and safety standards. Easyline makes it easy for businesses to source high-quality steel and iron globally, efficiently, reliably, and directly from factories.